So here we have the function f of x is equal to x squared. When we graph it, we get this parabola. And we want to look at this graph on the interval from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. And the slope of the secant line passing through the points x is equal to 0 and the point A where x is equal to 0 and the point B where x is equal to 2, the slope of that secant line is 2. And when we graph that secant line, this is what we get. So the question that we have is there a tangent line to the graph of f that is parallel to this secant line at an x value between 0 and 2? And we will investigate by using Desmos to help us. So I'll use my slider and we start looking at these tangent lines to the graph of f at different values of x. Right now, we have a value of x that is about 0.4. Now we have a value of x that is about 0.5. Now we have a value of x that is about 0.6. And we're looking at tangent lines to the graph of f at different x values on the interval from 0 to 2. And the question is there an x value between 0 and 2 at which the tangent line to the graph of f will be parallel to the secant line passing through points A and B where x is 0 and x is 2. And right now, we have a tangent line that we're looking at where the x value is about 0.8. And when you look at those tangent lines, the slopes of the tangent lines are starting to approach the slope of the secant line, which we know to be 2. And if I keep moving the slider and take a look over here, when I get to x is equal to 1, when I get to x is equal to 1, I'll stop. And if you look at the secant line and you look at the tangent line, you can see that they are parallel to each other. So there is an x value between 0 and 2 at which the tangent line to the graph of f will be parallel to the secant line passing through the points A and B on the graph of f, where A is 0, where the x coordinate of A is 0 and the x coordinate of B is 2.